welcome to At Home with Ros Emely. Have another delicious Thanksgiving or Christmas Eve recipe. We're gonna be making roasted pork recipe or pernil. It's so easy, it's super quick with ingredients that you already have at home, which makes it even better. Hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy family recipe, cleaning and organization video. Now let's get started with this delicious roast pork recipe. Alright guys, so over here I have 7 pounds of pork shoulder, Boston butt cut, and I already cleaned it with lime juice and vinegar. Now we're gonna flip it over to the side of the skin. Using a knife, we're gonna make holes in it around the pork shoulder. This way, when we season it, all the ingredients can marinate super good on the pork. Now we're gonna add some lime juice. Juice of 1 whole lime, as well as juice of an orange. And now we're gonna start to season it with the salt, and I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of salt, but of course it's to your liking and to your taste. 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon of Dominican oregano, 1 tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, adds a ton of flavor to any meat. And now with our clean hand, we are gonna start to massage our roast pork or pork shoulder. As you can see, I'm adding all the ingredients in the hole. That way it can have a ton of flavor. And now, of course, I need garlic in my life. So I'm adding garlic cloves inside the holes that we made. That way the garlic is going to caramelize. It's going to add a ton of flavor to the pork. And it's going to be so delicious, guys. Last but not least, I am adding 1 teaspoon of sugar, and this is brown sugar just to balance the flavors out. Alright, we are ready to cover this up with aluminum foil, and we're ready to cook this in the oven at 325 degrees for 2 hours. After the 2 hours, we're going to remove the aluminum foil. Look how it's cooking, guys. Alright, we're going to flip it over to the side of the skin because we do want the skin to be nice and crispy. Alright guys, and with a spoon, I'm just going to add some of the stock on top of our pork. You can add a little bit of water or beef stock if it dries so it doesn't burn. So now we're going to cook this at 350 degrees for 3 whole hours. Of course, you can check in between, but this is my delicious, quick and easy pernil or roast pork shoulder, guys. Perfect for Thanksgiving or Christmas Eve. Let me just show you. The skin is so crispy. It's so juicy, guys. Delicious Latino style roast pork shoulders. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.